Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel TT Logic, and in this video we are going to solve a nice algebraic problem. And here we have to solve a nice simplification, which is square root of 3 minus square root of 12, then over square root of 3 plus square root of 12. And now here it is, we solve these different methods. So first of all, we can solve with the help of first method. So this is first method, and we can be written as square root of 3 minus square root of 12, and we multiply them same as square root of 3 then minus square root of 12. And now we multiply with this square root of 3 minus 12 is this. So we can be written as square root of 3 plus square root of 12 and multiply with square root of 3 minus square root of 12. And now here it is, we solve with the help of a nice algebraic identity, which is a plus b and a minus b is equal to a square minus b square and a minus b whole the power of 2 and is equal to a square minus 2ab and plus b square. And so here we can solve it as, and we can be written as square root of 3 and minus square root of 12 whole the power of 2 and then over square root of 3 square and then minus square root of 12 square. And so here cancelled out this square root with this square and this square root with this square, and the remaining is equal to square root of this square root of 3 minus square root of 12 the power of 2, and we multiply them and is equal to this square root of 3 square then minus 2 and square root of 3 and square root of 12 and then plus square root of 12 square, and then over we remaining this 3 minus 12 and is equal to 3 minus 12. And so here we cancelled out this square root with this square and this square root with this square, and here is remaining is this 3 and my plus this 12 and then minus this 2, and this square root of this 12 multiply 3 is equal to 36, and then this 12 minus 3 is equal to minus 9. And now here this 12 plus 3 is equal to 15 and then minus 2, and this square root of 36 can be written as 6 multiply 6 and then over this minus 9 and is equal to this 15 and minus 6 multiply 2 is equal to 12 and then over this minus 9, and then we subtract them. 15 minus 12 is equal to minus 3 and then over this minus 9 same as 9, and now we divided by 3 over 9 is 1 over 3. So here minus 1 over 3, it is our final answer from method of first. And now here we solve method 2. Method 2, and we can be written as square root of 3 and minus, and this square root of 12 is can be written as square root of 4 multiply 3 and then over square root of 3 and plus and square root of 12 can be written as square root of 4 multiply 3. And now and square root of 3 minus this square root of 4 can be written as 2 and square root of 3. Then over this square root of 3 plus this 4 can be written as 2 and then square root of 3 and is equal to this square root of 3, this square root of 3 and this square root of 3 common as so can be written as square root of 3 and this minus and 1 minus 2. Then over this square root of 3 and this square root of 3 same as common and so it can be written as square root of 3 and 1 plus 2 and is equal to and this square root of 3 cancelled out with this square root of 3 and here this 2 minus 1 is minus 1 then over this 2 plus 1 is 3 and here it is our final answer. Thank you so much for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.